Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making corn vadas or makkajanna garelu. These are very tasty savory snacks that are made with fresh corn. Before we get into today's video, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's start making our corn vadas. Here I have taken 2 cups of fresh corn. If you are using frozen corn, thaw the corn before you start making the vadas. Now I have transferred all the corn into a grinder jar. We have to grind this corn into a coarse paste. Do not add any water while grinding the corn. After grinding the corn, the paste should look something like this. Our first step is done. Now transfer this into a large bowl. You can literally make these vadas in 15 to 20 minutes if you have all the ingredients ready. Now add in half cup of chickpea flour, half cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped or grated carrot. I have used finely chopped carrot. You can even grate the carrot. Add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Always use fresh coriander leaves to make the vadas. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or adjust the salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and finally add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. You need not add a ton of spices to make these vadas taste good. They will taste good on their own without adding any spices. Give this a good mix with a spoon. After that, ditch the spoon and use your hands to make a dough. You won't need any extra water to make a dough of this mixture. The water from the corn itself is enough to make a dough. You have to use fresh and tender corn to make these vadas. After making a rough dough, grease your hands with some oil and start making the vadas. Start by pinching out a large lemon-sized portion of the dough. Make a smooth ball first and then flatten it in your hands. That's it, your corn vada is ready. If you want the corn vadas to be very crispy, make very thin corn vadas. If you are making the corn vadas in the same size that I am showing you, you will get a nice soft centered and crispy outer edged corn vada. Prepare all the vadas from the dough in the same way that I am showing you. If the dough starts to stick to your hand, grease your hands with some oil and try again. The vadas are ready to be fried now. To fry the vadas, drop the vadas in very hot oil one by one and do not overcrowd your pan with the vadas. After dropping enough vadas, reduce the flame to medium and let the vadas fry on medium flame for 5 minutes. Keep stirring and moving the vadas occasionally and flip the vadas to fry them evenly from all the sides. If you want, you can shallow fry these vadas or bake them in an oven too. These vadas will take at least 5 to 6 minutes to fry completely on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, take out the vadas from the oil and place them on a tissue paper or a strainer to strain away the excess oil. Our first batch of vadas are fried and ready now. Fry all the vadas in the same way. This is a very tasty and easy to make evening snack that is easily everybody's favorite in the family. And as corn is in season now, you must try these yummy snacks at home. And if you are somebody that are worried about the deep frying aspect of this recipe, bake your corn vadas after brushing them with some oil in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Our corn vadas are all fried and ready to be served now. Serve with some green chutney or ketchup and enjoy this very tasty snack. Do try this yummy recipe, and if you try the recipe, do share your experience in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!